Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas. It was shocking news for all Bollywood news when the endearment news of Priyanka and Nick Jonas went viral. Our Desi girl had so many past affairs with so many hot co-stars and finally decided to exchange the ring with American pop singer Nick Jonas. Preity Zinta and Jean Goodenough. Kal Ho Na Ho fame Dimple girl Preity decided to keep her private life secret. And for this reason she had a hush-hush chapel wedding. After breaking up with Neswadia, Preity got engaged with USA-based Jean Goodenough. He is a financial advisor and analyst by profession. Shriya Saran and Andrei Koschev. South Indian heroine Shriya had a secret affair with Andrei Koschev, who is a Russian. Though they were in a long-distance relationship, they managed to be in the knot recently. Monali Thakur and Mike Richter. Famous Bollywood singer Monali Thakur got secretly engaged with her boyfriend Mike Richter in 2020. Mike is a UK-based restaurateur who has multiple ventures, and Monali has already settled in a village of London. Selena Jaitley, Peter Hag. After facing a failed career in Bollywood, Selena decided to get hitched with her foreigner boyfriend Peter Hag, who is a Dubai-based businessman. Now, Selena is happily settled in Dubai with her twin baby boys and Peter. Shashi Kapoor and Jennifer Kendall. Late actor Shashi Ji was deeply in love with his British wife Jennifer Kendall, who was a Hollywood actress. This actor lost his wife due to cancer. Kabir Bedi and Susan Humphrey. Pooja Bedi's father Kabir married 4 times, and out of those marriages he was married to British journalist Susan Humphrey. Milind Soman and Madhu Sapre. Milind met his first girlfriend Madhu Sapre during his modeling days. This supermodel was married to Madhu Sapre, who was half Indian and half Chinese. Lisa Ray and Jason Denny. Cancer survivor Lisa is a Canada-based actress who is also an Indian. She got married to the man of her life, Jason Denny, who is a management consultant in the USA. Jason Denny. Shweta Keswani and Kane Adino. Talented actress Shweta got hitched on with his foreign boyfriend Kane Adino and got settled in the USA with their lovely daughter. Madhu Sapre and Gian Maria Amendatori. After her breakup with Milind, supermodel Madhu Sapre got married to businessman Gian Maria. Suchitra Pillai and Lars Jeltsin. Suchitra had a short career in Bollywood and she is now settled with her foreign husband, Danish engineer Lars. Kashmira Shah and Brad Listerman. This popular household name of the small screen Kashmira had a failed marriage before she found her love, Krishna Abhishek. This actress chose an American investment banker and turned Hollywood producer Brad Listerman as her husband, but they are now divorced. Amrita Arora and Shakil Ladakh. Amrita is the second wife of his Dubai-based businessman Shakil Ladakh. Amrita got married to Shakil when she got pregnant.